This is not clickbait. SMCI stock is crashing. Check this out. It went from being up like 5% on the day and just in a matter of minutes ended up selling off, crashing. It's gotten halted twice already. Halted means that trading is suspended for at least 5 minutes. It aggressively sold off. I had a short position. I was shorting SMCI. I literally announced it to my LPP team. Check this out. I was very, very open with them. From when it is that I opened the short position, we talked about SMCI during my live trading session today. For those that do not know, I do trade live every single morning. If you ever want to tune on into my live trading sessions, it's the second link in the description down below. But what I began to see was, first off, I did not expect this to happen. If you look at SMCI, it aggressively ran up, hit highs of 484, and then I saw a retracement to the moving average. That was one thing that I saw during my live trading session that I was like, oh, okay, what if it pulls on back? I could see the pullback to the moving average. And because SMCI was very volatile, I saw like 2 to 3% of downside potential. Great. That's what I was working towards. It started trying to run up again. So I saw that it was overbought, and this was right around, check the time, 10:39, 10:40 Eastern Standard Time. So Arizona time, I send out an announcement to my team, and this was right around 7:39, which is again 10:39 Eastern Standard Time. Just a heads up, SMCI has already rallied and pulled on back, and it's trying to rally again. I'm going to watch it for a short here, opening short on SMCI. Check this out, 7:40, opening up 100 shares. I ended up having a total of 200 shares by the time that this aggressive sell-off happened. I literally was watching it and I could not believe it. You know how sometimes some candles fake out and they like just glitch? I thought it was a glitch candle, but I saw how much it was showing that I was up, and it wasn't. When it glitches back right away, and I was only up a few $100. When I saw how much I was actually up, I took profits right away. So before it actually got halted, I took profits right away. And that's exactly what I shared with my LPP team. I was like, I just made $5,000 with 200 shares shorting NVIDIA stock. This was not something that I was expecting. This was not something that I could have predicted. I have never felt like Nancy Pelosi. With that being said, I made sure that I tried to lead by example when it comes down to my team. I made sure that I encouraged them to, hey, let's know when to take profits. Let's make sure that we understand that this doesn't have to continue to sell off, but why exactly is this happening? Breaking news, NVIDIA's third largest customer. This is why you're also seeing NVIDIA stock sell off and NASDAQ market sell off, because NVIDIA is going to get affected by this. SMCI is NVIDIA's third largest customer, is being probed by the Justice Department over accounting irregularities. And the really crazy thing about this is that, again, NVIDIA's third largest customer, SMCI, apparently won't be able to file its 10K or even 15-day grace period due to accounting irregularities. Holy smokes, I can't even pronounce that word. Irregularities. My goodness, I do apologize for that. But as you could imagine, this is a huge red flag for SMCI, and this is a huge red flag for NVIDIA. And this is why we're seeing such an aggressive sell-off. I talked about SMCI being overvalued when it was trading at $1,200 per share. Everyone thought that I was being overdramatic, and I thought it was a worthless company that was overdramatic within a very short period of time, overreacted within a very short period of time. You know, truth will always come out, and this is why we've seen the lower highs, lower lows. It's a strong descending pattern. I'm up $7,000 so far on the day shorting SMCI. I have a small short right now, and I want to see how low it can go, right? This is very relevant news. This might be an overreaction on the downside, but I am here for it, no question about it. So I'm very excited to follow up. I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. This is all very new news, but again, when it comes down to the volatility that this thing is presenting, how aggressive it's selling off, this is not something that I want to miss out on. And also, I do want to remind you that Costco does report earnings after the market closes today. So again, I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. I wanted to make sure that you guys were all aware. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and let me know if you're part of my LPP team and you caught this big move. Let me know down in the comment section, because I saw some of your guys' profits and I'm so happy to see that you guys are killing it. Again, if you want to tune on into my live trading session tomorrow, it's the second link in the description down below, and I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live session. Take care, team.